In a large vessel, add a cup of oil. Add thinly sliced onions. Also add in the whole spices. Saute until the onions turn golden brown. Once the onion turns golden brown, lower the flame, add the coriander leaves and the mint leaves and fry it for a minute. Add the green chilies and fry for a minute. Add the red chili powder and fry it. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute well. Add the yogurt and mix well. Add the sliced tomatoes and mix well. Add salt and saute for a minute. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add 800 ml of water and bring it to a boil. In a separate vessel, boil 8 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. When the water comes to a boil, add the soaked rice and cook until 70% done. Now the rice is done. Let's drain it and reserve the water. Now check the biryani masala, which is simmering for 10 minutes, and then add in the chicken pieces. Mix the chicken pieces and cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Check for seasoning and add required amount of salt. Once the gravy comes to a boil, add the drained rice in the center. The gravy has to be leveled up to the cooked rice. You may also add the reserved water to level if necessary. Cover the vessel and place a heavy object on top so that the steam doesn't escape. Cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. When you see a lot of steam coming out on the side, put off the flame. Ambur dum biryani is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel.